Premier League. In the post-match presentation, we have chief guest MLA Pulwama Wahidur Rahman Para. Big hands to him. The chief guest to please come here. I request Captain Rahim from 55RR to please come here for the award ceremony. I request ASI Abdul Rashid from Police Station Pulwama. He will come here and participate in the post-match presentation, along with social activist and politician Rahul, who is popular as Rahul Mushtaq. He will also participate in the award ceremony. I request one man who has played his unprecedented and relentless role in the tournament. One man army, Ejaz Para. Without him, nothing would have been possible. Thank you very much for your contribution from the journey. I request Shiraz Ahmed from Rajpura to please come here and participate in the award ceremony. Pulwama Premier League, a one-village cricket tournament, a journey which was initiated by Muzammil Manzoor and Butt Moeen, who is popularly known as Moeen Khan. Big hands to organizers for this wonderful journey. The journey had two aims. One was it should be a one-village tournament to promote local youth. The other was to keep youth involved in sports and to help them to eradicate the menace of drugs, anxiety, depression and other things. Big hands for the slogans. A total of 32 teams participated in the tournament. In the finals, it was JCC Reds Malikpura and Sarkar 11 Gudura. Big hands to both the two teams. And a special claps for the winners of this tournament. I request Bilal Ahmed Othar Saab to please come here and participate in the award ceremony. Without wasting any time, I'll be handing over the microphone to Honorable MLA Saab to please have few words and share his golden thoughts. But please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
काफ़ी अच्छी बात है कि मुज़म्मिल साहब का जो इनिशिएटिव था, करीब 32 टीमों ने इस टूर्नामेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया और हम कई महीनों से देख रहे हैं आप लोग सब मेहनत कर रहे हैं। कोशिश ये थी कि हर गांव से ज़्यादा बच्चे इसमें खेले और बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत है। इंशाल्लाह सोन तरफ ते कोशिश की करें कोशिश क्रिकेट में थोड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, प्ले ग्राउंड, स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट, किट इतने बात कोशिश कि बार कि जवान अगर कुछ एंगेजमेंट रोज पॉजिटिव तो सोन बॉय गांधन मज गिंदन पाने ट्रेनिंग कर पाने कोशिश कर पानस पत बिजी तवान तथ वनकस सारे को बोड़ मसल ड्रग्स डिप्रेशन सान जवान में बेरोजगारी हूँ तो इन स्पोर्ट्स सत रोजान इन्वॉल्वमेंट पॉजिटिव इन्वॉल्वमेंट तो यह असल शुरुआत ये मुर्तजा साहब शुक्रिया यम टूर्नामेंट्स मज मेन प्लेयर टाइम दियो दनवनी टीमन तुम फाइनलस वो तो खासकर विनर टीम सरकार तक मुबारक रनर टीम मुबारक सोन कोशिश इंशाल्लाह ये मुज़म्मिल साहबन यह शुरुआत कर टूर्नामेंटस सोन कोशिश कि करो बुथ ऑर्गनाइज एक्सपैंड पे टीम पुलवमस मज ऑलरेडी अ प्रोसेस कि यम गामन मज क्लब टीम तिम खर करो इक्विपमेंट्स अत यूनिफॉर्म या ट्रेनिंग्स सपोर्ट ऑलरेडी लिस्ट बनाओ तहम खासकर गो पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी टीम तम थे सोन दफ्तर कंटैक्ट पन फॉर्म कर टीम कर रजिस्टर कुछ सात मौके पगह ये टीम हतस खंदस इक्विपमेंट नईस मौके दिमो बी बाकी टीमन इंशाल्लाह असल शुरुआत तो इस करो कोशिश इंशाल्लाह लकट मैच टूर्नामेंट यमो सत माहौल जम्मू कश्मीर में खड़ा तथ सोनिस पुलवमस मज सान बायन खतर कि कम से कम यूत वनकस स्ट्रेस नौजवान मज अगर ना कहें ग मैच सस जवान पन मौके मिलान यह एग्जिट मिलान ड्रग्स डिप्रेशन नश इंशाल्लाह सोन तक पूरा सपोर्ट शुक्रिया।
Thank you very much. I request our own icon, Mr. Shabir Apni, to please come here and provide an award and present an award to Honorable MLA Saab. Shabir Apni, please come here. He will come straight with guest of honor award to Wahid Rahman Parasa. Wahid sahab, thank you very much for your time, for your words. Thank you very much once again. I request Wahid Rahman Parasa to felicitate one man who has played a very vital role throughout the journey, Mr. Ejaz Ahmed Para from JK Krishi Vikas. Ejaz sahab, you deserve massive respect and loads of appreciation. Unfortunately, we are not able to provide you what you deserve. Thank you very much for your support. Mr. Mohammed Akram, Sports Officer Pulwama, I request him to please come here, or his any representative will come here. Mr. Ghulam Nabi will receive the award from the hands of Wahid Parasa. Omar Nazir, our local youth icon, if he is here, anyone from the Malikpura can come and take the award. The captain himself from Malikpura, he is very good friend of Omar Nazir. Requesting Advocate Yunus Ahmed Hafiz, if he is here, his alternative anybody will come and receive the award. We were expecting that SSP Pulwama, Miss Tanushri ji will come here, but due to his busy schedule, she could not make up here. She had sent their ASI, Mr. Abdurrashid Saab, he will receive award on his behalf from Wahid Rahman Parasa. Thank you very much, Rashid Saab. शुक्रिया आपका दिल से बहुत-बहुत ये समय हमारे साथ बिताने के लिए. The next award will go to one man which makes the hearts beat faster, who has revolutionized sports in Pulwama, one and only Irfan Sarkar. We will send someone else to take the award. The sponsor, Shoeland, will be among the guests if he is here. Come here, brother. Take your award. Thank you very much for the support. Once again, these are identical faces who are sponsoring each and every tournament and providing each and every type of facility, whatever is possible from them. The next award will go to social activist and sports activist, Shahid Lala, popularly known as Lala Bhai. परिंदू की दुनिया का दरवेश हूँ मैं कि शाही बनाता नहीं आशियां. एक ऐसे बंदे के लिए शेर है जिसका नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है. एक ऐसा बंदा who is leaving no stone unturned when it comes to helping anyone, when it comes to providing any kind of support. One and only Rahul Mir, popularly known as Rahul Mustaq. Thank you very much, Rahul Bhai, for standing shoulder to shoulder whenever we need. You are always available. Thank you very much for your support. The next award will go to one more social and sports activist, Mr. Zahid Majid. Zahid Bhai, thank you very much for your role, for your support you have provided through the journey. The next award will go to Mushtaq Ahmed Bhatt, popularly known as Lala. Mushtaq Saab, to please come here and receive the award. Media plays an important factor when it comes to highlighting any issues of the society. One has stood shoulder by shoulder with the organizers right from the inauguration of this tournament. The name reads as Raj Bhatt from the right Kashmir. Big hands for him. He is a local guy of Sarkar 11 Pulwama, because all the players of Sarkar 11 Pulwama are from Gudura. Thank you very much, Raj Bhai, for your contribution in the tournament. The next award will go to Abdul Hamid Bhatt Saab. The son of Abdul Hamid Bhatt Saab is taking the award. Thank you very much for the support you provided. Muhammad Albaf Negru is the next man who is invited to take his award. Muhammad Albaf Negru. मोहम्मद इकबाल मीर, इकबाल साहब आप आइए और अपना अवार्ड ले जाइए। मोहम्मद इकबाल मीर साहब। Muhammad Iqbal Mir has been a very prominent cricketer in his career. His son is also involved in sports. Now, the guests, we are done with guests. We have got some awards for the match officials of the tournament. One man who has provided live coverage on your mobile screens when you are enjoying watching the matches in your offices, in your homes, and in your workplaces. One and only Saklan Mushtaq from Sports Tadka. Thank you very much, Saklan bhai. I hope you will keep on shining with each and every passing moment. One commentator who was performing his roles, Shahnawaz Ahmed, he will come here and distribute the award. Thank you very much, Shahnawaz Ahmed, for your meritorious prize. The two match officials, the official awards, the two umpires of the matches, Mr. Mudassir, who is popularly known as Simon, and Bart Anzar will come here and receive his appreciation award. Mudassir Ahmed will receive his award as well. There is one award for me as well. Thank you very much to the organizers for honoring me. Thank you very much. So to start, among them, the first one is Ghulam Nabi Bhatt. He will come here, receive a cash payment and a certificate as well. Ghulam Nabi Bhatt. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Hilal Ahmed Najjar will receive his award. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत आपका हिलाल साहब, अपने योगदान के लिए, अपने सपोर्ट के लिए। आप कैश भी ले जाइएगा अपने साथ। मोहम्मद आजिम फ्रॉम मैनेजिंग बॉडी विल कम हियर। आजिम आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सुबह से हमने देखा कि आप बहुत मेहनत कर रहे थे। आजिम के लिए जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों। मोहम्मद अशरफ गनाई, सपोर्ट स्टाफ मोहम्मद अशरफ गनाई। हिलाल भाई आप आ जाओ, अशरफ साहब का अवार्ड ले लो। Now we have got the tournament awards, the awards of the tournament. Among them, the first one is emerging bowler of the tournament, Afan Nabi. He will receive a certificate and a medallion. Emerging batsman is the next one, Farhan Tariq. Make some noise, guys. These young faces are going to be our future. Best batsman, Saqib Nazir from Ramu, if he is here, or any of his Shabir Saab will come here and he will receive his award and a medallion. Best bowler of the tournament, one bowler who has impressed us with his skills. His name is Mehran. He will come here and receive his award. Best catch of the tournament. Impossible to believe, hard to think, but he has made it possible. Malik Khan has taken best catch of the tournament. Super Sixes of the tournament. One and only Saqib Nazir. Shakir bhai, come here again and take the award of Saqib home. Player of the tournament, one person who has impressed us with his overall performances. Saqib Nazir will get a certificate and a cash prize of 12,000 rupees. Player of the match, one man who was the difference between the two sides, one and only Faizan. I request Bilal Rothar and Ejaz Parasab to please come forward. Muzammil Manzoor, the organizer of the tournament, will felicitate you. Mr. Ejaz Parasab and Bilal Rothar sahab, please. Next on list, guys, come on! थोड़ी एनर्जी दिखाओ यारो. एजाज साहब ने इतना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया इस टूर्नामेंट में. You all have no idea. जोरदार तालियां बिलाल साहब के लिए भी दोस्तों. बिलाल साहब शान बशारा खड़ा रहे मुजम्मिल के फ्रॉम द इनॉग्रेशन डे. थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत आपका. We now invite the runner-up captain to please come forward, followed by his team one by one to receive the medallions. मलिकपुरा का कोई खिलाड़ी रह गया जिसने मेडल नहीं लिया. I now request the winning captain to please come here one by one, followed by his team to receive the medallions. एक एक करके आप लोग अपना अपना मेडल लीजिए. अमरजीत साहब प्लीज उनको मेडल पहनाइए. May I invite here the captain of today's runner-up team. He will come here and receive a check of 40,000 rupees. The captain of JCC Reds, Malikwara. तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों अपना भाई के लिए. Well played guys. Winning or losing is never a matter of concern. You guys played well. You have defeated the responsibilities. You have defeated the drugs. You have defeated inside gate citrus. You have defeated each and everything. Before proceeding further, I request Mr. Manzoor Sahab to get ready with the shawl and he will present the shawl to Honorable MLA Wahid Parasab. Big hands to MLA Sahab. Big hands to MLA Kumara and Mr. Manzoor Sahab for felicitation. participating MA Pulwama, Vaidya Mantara. May I invite here, Prince Green Captain, he will come here, receive a check and a trophy. Check up 1 lakh rupees. I request Moin Khan, Muzammil Mansoor and the others associated with the tournament.